Hello everyone and welcome to another awesome tutorial, and today we'll be learning something very special and unique. Today we'll be learning how to create your affiliate campaigns with no effort. Okay, so let's begin. So go ahead and first off log into your Automizely loyalty account, and once you're in the portal you're going to have to click on affiliates. So go ahead and click on it. Now, once you're here, you're going to have to give your campaign a name, then decide whether you want all products to be promoted or some certain products and collections. And the last portion is the duration and the time. And the time period you would want to run your campaign. So the bottom one is for the time, the middle one is the products to be promoted, and the top is the campaign name. Pretty simple and easy. So go ahead and give your campaign a name. So I'm going to put in my first campaign. I'm going to be keeping it to my first campaign. And for a promoted product, I'll put in all products. At the bottom is the period. You've got the start date, the start time, and the time zone. And if you want to run your campaign for a certain time period, make sure you mention the end date by checking off this box. Otherwise, just leave it as it is, but I'll go ahead and mess up with the settings. So I'm just going to put in a random end date. You can choose and do whatever that you want. And once you're done, just click on Save and Next to go to the next step. Now, once you're here, you're going to have to give your offer a name. I'll just keep it as it is. You can go ahead and change the name. Next up, the commission type. So if a person makes a sale for you, will they get a percentage off of the sale, or will they get a flat rate per sale? For example, a fixed amount. So change that up according to your needs. Next, you've got the discount type for the customers. So when the customer buys this, what kind of discount do they get? Do they get a percentage off of their product value or a fixed amount? So that's all up to you. I'll take on fixed amount and I'll put in 100. So go ahead and mess up with that according to your needs. And if you want to offer a discount based on the cart value, click here and make sure you mention it. So the customer gets 100 off of their order when they buy something above, and you're going to have to change that. I'll put in 1,000. So the customer gets 100 off of their order when they buy something above 1,000. So fix up your campaign settings. And once you're done, just click on Save and Next to proceed to the next step. So once you're here, you want to put your influencer's name, their email, and then select the affiliate offer for your influencer. So I'll put in something random. I'll put, let's say, Sarah Renner. Oops. And then I'll put her email, and then the offer, which is the one we're working on. So go ahead and click on Save to finish the process. All right, congrats. So you're all set. You've added a new influencer, Sarah Renner, and this is the link that you need to send it to her so she can bring your sales, and in return, she'll get a percentage or fixed amount off of the sale. Perfect. So go ahead and send her this link. You can easily copy it from the icon here. All right, now let's take a look at our influencers list. Awesome. So when you come up here, you'll be able to see all your influencers and the details of your campaigns. So basically, this is your control box. You monitor all your influencers and the customers they bring all in one place. So that is pretty cool. So you've got your sales here, your pending sales, commissions, pending commissions, and in the offers tab, you can see your affiliate offer, the 30% off. You can also change this by editing the offer. And you can also easily add more and more influencers and as many influencers that you want. Work on it and blow this up for yourself and have automatic income coming in. So go ahead and click on Add Influencer. And very simple, we've done this before. Add the name. I'll put in Jeremiah this time. Their email and the offer. and click on save. And that's it. And there you go. It's very, very simple. Copy the link and click on back to influencers. And now we have, as you can see, Jeremiah, and we can track them. We can also disable our influencers and edit their info at the same time. We can do all of that. Awesome. Now let's go to offers and add more offers if you want to. So just click on add offer. Pretty simple. We've done it before. Change the name. I'll put in a random name, flat 100. Going down to commission, I'll choose flat rate and put in $2.49. Customer discount, let's say percentage off, and let's go ahead and click on save. And that's it. It's all done. Now you've got 2 offers in your campaign. Now let's go ahead and go back to my campaign. And at any given time you feel like turning it off, you can do that. You can disable your campaign anytime with no issues. Just click on this 3 dotted icon and click on edit or disable. Also, you can create more campaigns. So if you want to do that, just click on create campaign. Voila, it's done. This is a wrap of our short tutorial. If you have any issues or any problems with any of the steps I went through, feel free to drop us a quick comment or email us and we'll make sure we respond instantly. Make sure you like, thumbs up, subscribe, and drop us a comment on our videos. And we'll make sure we keep helping all of you succeed in life and your business goals. Until next time, stay tuned, take care, and good luck.